where starting becomes succeeding. Most entrepreneurs think starting a business means filing paperwork, but what really determines success is what happens after. Professionals USA, we help business owners connect the dots between structure and success so your business actually works, grows, and serves. Here's the truth. Nearly 80% of small business owners stop at formation. They start but never build the systems that make their business run. That's where Elite steps in, right after your LLC is formed, helping you move from setup to structure. Because we just don't start your business, we help you operate it. Our approach is simple and effective. Simple Start Launch offers clarity, compliance, and a solid foundation. Liftoff turns your ideas into income with systems and accountability. And you're orbiting when you optimize your operation so your business runs without chaos. Every stage is practical, structured, and built to grow with you. What makes Elite different? We bridge the gap between business formation and functionality. Not just the legal side, but the real day-to-day operations that keep your business thriving. Real support, real strategy, real professionals helping you build an efficient, compliant, and scalable business. Our clients move from confusion to clarity, from paperwork to paydays, and from running around to running things. They just don't own a business. They operate it with confidence. Elite Professionals USA, where starting becomes succeeding.